If you've ever pulled a $30 ribeye out of your freezer 6 months later only to find that it is completely destroyed by freezer burn, we have to have a conversation. Usually, if you vacuum sealed it before you put it in the freezer, those standard vacuum sealers are to blame. Whether it's single heat seals that break, low suction leaving air pockets, or wet marinades being sucked straight into the motor, definitely the quality of the vacuum sealer you use impacts the quality of the freeze and how well it protects the food you want to store for later. This is the Gasbye Precision 95 kPa vacuum sealer. It packs a heavy-duty 95 kPa dual pump and a double heat sealing bar, not one, but two, built to tackle dry foods, wet marinades, and delicate items without ruining them. But is it worth a spot on your counter? Full disclosure, this has been gifted to me by the brand to try out, but my results and my opinions will always remain my own. Let's dive in and see what it looks like. In just a minute, we're going to test this double seal against a juicy marinated steak and delicate potato chips using the manual pulse mode. Plus, stick around till the end of the video where I'm going to open up the full unboxing setup and show you everything that comes inside the box, including the built-in cutter and roll compartment. That is truly fantastic. If you are looking to upgrade your meal prep or sous vide game, hit that subscribe button right now and check out the first link in the description below to grab the current live pricing and check for any active coupon codes. And if you're watching this over on my Amazon storefront, be sure to click that follow button right above the video. I post new hands-on tests and daily deals on top kitchen gadgets every single week. Let's start off with the 95 kPa dual pump suction. Now, standard budget steelers pull around 60 to 70 kPa, but the Gasbye hits 95 kPa, meaning air is evacuated almost instantly. Another way this machine distinguishes itself is the double heat seal. Instead of a single thin heat strip, this machine stamps two parallel thermal seals across the bag. If one seal suffers a wrinkle, the second holds the airlock tight. Easy lock handle. No slamming down on both corners with your hands like older models. Just push down on the front latch and it locks your lid effortlessly. Next, let's talk about the built-in storage and slide cutter. First, you slide open the top chamber. Then you drop in your bag roll. Then you roll out whatever you need, and then you slide the integrated razor across for a razor straight cut. And finally, a removable drip tray. This is going to drop right out of the vacuum trough so you can rinse away any liquids that spill right under your tap and give it a quick clean and you're ready to go again. Now first, the marinade tests. We all know liquids are the arch enemy of vacuum sealers. With standard units, juices get sucked straight up into the machine, ruining the seal. Now here, setting it to moist mode adjusts the suction and the timing and extends the heat sealing duration so we don't have any of those leaks happening. Watch this dual heat bar stamp through residual moisture, creating a pristine leak-proof double seam. That is fantastic. Next, delicate foods. Auto mode on a 95 kPa pump will instantly pulverize potato chips into dust, but instead we're going to use pulse mode, which means every press of the button gently steps down the vacuum one level. Once the air is extracted right up to the chips without crushing them, hit seal only, and you've got crush-free preservation without turning your snacks into breadcrumbs. And as promised, for those of you who love a good unboxing, let's take a quick look at what comes in the package right out of the box. First thing we get is our main unit in silver. It is pre-installed with a roll storage chamber and slide cutter, so you don't have to do any assembly. There is a starter vacuum roll plus pre-cut bags, so you have two different options. You have your external suction accessory hose. That's for if you want to vacuum external canisters, wine stoppers, or even jar sealers, which is wow. Super cool. And a removable drip tray, and yes, the user's manual. The bottom line, if you meal prep, buy meat in bulk, do sous vide cooking, this double heat seal alone makes this machine worth serious consideration over entry-level sealers. It eliminates leaks, it prevents freezer burn better than single strip alternatives, and it is seriously sleek looking. Be sure to click that follow button right above the video. I post new hands-on tests and daily deals on top kitchen gadgets every single week. Hit that subscribe button right now and check out the first link in the description below to grab the current live pricing and check for any active coupon codes. Drop a comment if you have any questions and let me know how you've used this. Did it crush your chips? Did it make your sous vide extra delicious? Or did you pull a steak out of the freezer 9 months later and it is not freezer burnt? Tell me all the details. Check out the link in the description below to buy what you've just seen. Scan the QR code to move on over to my Amazon storefront, where you will find carefully curated lists of all my family's favorites. Now, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you've got a question about this product, be sure to leave me a comment. I'll do my best to answer it. Thanks for watching.